Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and today we're going to treat a large Rhinophyma starting with a 532 laser to remove any spider veins which will bleed during the procedure, then infiltrating with 2% xylocaine, 100,000 epinephrine. I'm sounding the depth of the Rhinophyma down to cartilage or bone so I can estimate a depth. I have formulated a loop electrode into more of a flat surface like a cheese wire. This is the Soniquence radio wave system. I'm using this at a setting of about 30. And I am just shaving off these hypertrophic areas of sebaceous glands and sebaceous tissue and fibrous tissue. And you can see the pockets of sebum and sometimes purulence in these Rhinophyma patients. So you can see that when the Soniquence is set at the correct settings, there is little, if any, bleeding. And I'm simply beginning on one side and shaving this down. Now I've switched to the Soniquence ball electrode, and this helps me not only cauterize but smooth this very bumpy surface that's almost like gravel, and using this device set on approximately 20 to 30 again with the Soniquence radio wave, I can flatten these areas and just kind of continue my more controlled reduction. And when I get down to compressible cartilage, then I'm usually very close to my endpoint, and using the luminous alpha CO2 laser, I'm doing a final pass here to seal all of the tissue to prevent oozing or bleeding, and this is also a final contouring which just helps close everything over, and I do this on all of these cases. And you can see the treated areas and the recontouring that has been done, and I'll show you a before and after picture in a minute, but that's down to a pretty normal nasal structure. And we're treating this with xeriform gauze and leaving that on for several days. And otherwise, treating it like a regular laser wound with petrolatum moisturizer. Here's the patient's before pictures, and you can see there was quite a lot of enlargement. Here are his after pictures at about 5 days. And it's going to be a real nice case, and I'll post some pictures later. If you have an interest in Rhinophyma, deep plane facelift, eyelid surgery, or any other cosmetic facial surgery, look at my website, LoveThatFace.com. I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu. Have a great day.